purchase your TPMS system by Rotek, there's a couple of decisions that you're going to have to make. One, what style sensor would you like? And two, how many sensors do you need? So, to talk about the types of sensors, there's two options. One, there's a cap style. Now this is going to go on really easy. It has a replaceable battery, put it on, sync it to your display, and you're ready to go. Two, there's the pass-through option. And what this is going to allow you to do is actually inflate your tires without having to remove your sensor. So if you're inflating your trailer tires a lot, this might be the better option. Now the second decision you're going to have to make is how many sensors do you need? They come in quantities of 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. For us, we have a dually and a toy hauler. That's 12 tires, so we would need a 12 pack. I prefer the pass-through sensors just because I don't want to have to remove each sensor when I go to inflate them. Now both sensors have the replaceable batteries, so you don't have to replace the full sensor when the batteries go low. It's all about choosing what works best for you.